Hello, good morning. Today we can see how to open a Microsoft Excel data using SPSS. I have collected my research data and saved in Microsoft Excel file. This is the data file, that is data for analysis. I am opening the Excel file and seeing the data. All the data is key in, and we have to make sure that all the data is correctly key in and clean. If you are planning to uh, transfer Excel data to SPSS and analyze using SPSS software, you have to make sure that first row of Excel data should be variable names. Here first row of the data is variable name, age, gender, ethnicity, type of diabetes mellitus, systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and so on. All the variable names are given on the first row of data. After that, we need to save the data. We need to save the data in desktop. I am saving it in desktop, data for analysis, and okay, I am replacing it. So the data is saved in desktop. Now I am closing the data. Make sure that your Excel data is saved in a place where you remember and close the data. Don't try to open data using SPSS software when Excel file is open. Then you cannot transfer the Excel data to SPSS. So you need to save and close the Excel data. Now I am opening SPSS. I'm typing SPSS, that is the software IBM SPSS Statistics 23. When I click on it, IBM SPSS software is opening. There are multiple ways you can transfer Excel data to SPSS. I will show different ways. First way I am opening using the IBM SPSS open data box is open. So you look at the left side, there is open another file. You just click on that and click OK. So there is one open box. Which data to be opened? So you have to select desktop because our Excel file is saved in desktop. So please select desktop, but our Excel file is not seen. So you have to change files of type to Excel file. Files of type, please change to Excel file. When you change it, data for analysis Excel file is seen. Please select that file and click open. Now the file is selected, and opening Excel data source, there is one box appearing, read variable names from the first row of data. Do you remember in Excel we have given first row of Excel file as variable names. So computer is asking read variable names from first row of data. So you have to click it. It is by default it is clicked. Then worksheet. In Excel you can have multiple worksheets. You can select which worksheet you want. In my Excel file only one worksheet is there, so I am selecting that. In your case you may be having multiple worksheets, so you have to choose which worksheet you are going to analyze. So I am selecting sheet 1 and click OK. So Excel data is automatically transferred to SPSS. In SPSS there are 3 different windows are there. This window is data editor window. Data editor, IBM SPSS Statistics Data Editor window. It has 2 views. data view and variable view. Data view will show the full data as we see in Excel. Variable view, it will give the details about the variable. Each variable name, type, decimal, label, values. In the next video, we can see how to edit this variable view. Then one more window is there. What is that? That is known as Output Viewer. IBM SPSS Statistics Viewer. Whatever result of analysis will appear in Output Viewer. So I am taking Output Viewer, then Data Editor. Data Editor has Data View and Variable View, and the first row of Excel file will be converted to variable names. Here you saw variable names are taken from the first row of Excel file. So make sure that in your Excel file you have given variable names as the first row.